I just dropped my PTZ. Oh, is it still working? I hope it still works. I hope it still works. Okay, it's still good. It's still good. Oh, I love these cameras. No, it's not busted. I love these cameras so much. I hope it's not broken. Yeah, this one right here is still working. See, it's still working. Please work. Oh, no, the color. The color is wrong now. No, no. This one has a little bit of a blue tint now. Oh, I need to get this repaired. Oh, no. I think it's kind of messed up, right? Okay, hang on. Let's go back to the view right here. Let's stop the video cycling, and let's see. Yeah, I think the lens, it's bad now because I dropped it. You're not supposed to drop these things. So you can see right here. This is the camera. Let's see how it is. Oh, hang on. Did I change the view? Okay, hang on. I gotta stop the video cycling right there. Stop the video cycling. Yeah, you see now this lens, this one down here, it's seeing some kind of distorted color. No. Yeah, it was a tad loud. Oh man! Alright, well, do not drop your Eufy security cameras. They're not designed to be dropped. So anyway, yeah, I love these cameras. They're really good. But yeah, this one now, it's a little bit on the purplish side. Too much energy. But anyway, these cameras are wired, so they're recording 24/7. So let me show you right here. And we can see, there we go. So we see a dog walking by. You see how it zooms in on that person. Let's add one more camera. Let's add this camera right here. So now you'll be able to see more of this event right there. See how it zooms in on the person right here? That's all automatic. That zooming and tracking is automatic. That is really cool. It has the best zooming and auto tracking I've ever seen on any camera. And it can zoom and track up to 164 feet. You see right there? It's zooming and tracking that person. Really, really, really good. I mean, that is just exceptionally good. And you see how far that person is? Let's see this view at the top. You see that's the fixed lens, and you see this is the tracking PTZ lens, and it's still tracking them even though they're moving far away. It's still tracking them. And you see I got the cross view, so it's crossed between the different cameras. And it's crazy because when somebody walks towards the camera, you'll see the action. You see how this camera goes back to its home position because I set it up to monitor over here. It's really cool. Really awesome. Amazing products. It's really cool. So let me see if I can find another example of the cross-tracking with the AI zooming. Again, somebody walking across the house, right? You see how it's cross-tracking? Look, he's walking fast, but it's cross-tracking him there. It's cross-tracking him there. You can see him walking away right there. You see him walking away right there. That's another person. Another person's coming up right there behind him. So after it captures him, it will capture her. You see, that's the other person behind him, right there. Boom. And there's the other person right there. Boom. And you see how she's gonna walk. Eventually, you'll see her on this view right here. There. You see her? Right there. You see? That's your cross-tracking capability. So everything is linked together so you can see all the events happen in real time. It's pretty crazy. It's really, really cool. And then, of course, you can search by events. For example, if you want to search for a dog, let's see if we can find a dog. So if we search for a dog, we might be able to find a dog. Let me see. It'll search through all the footage and find out when there was a dog in the video. Let me see right here. Do we have a dog? Do we have a dog? Let me see. That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog. You see right here, we got a dog right there. There we go. See? We got a dog. We got a dog. We got a scooter and a dog. Ruff, ruff, ruff. See? It has the local searchability. So now I can track, I can see there's a dog. You see the panning, the zooming is all automatic. It's so smooth. I love it. I love it. It's so cool, right? So you can see how the panning is tracking the dog and the person as they're moving away. This is the PTZ part of the camera in addition to the fixed lens. And you see, look at it. Look how small they are. And that was when it zoomed in. You saw how it zoomed in to capture that? Amazing. Amazing, right? I love these cameras. They're so incredibly good.